YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So if you guys weren't able to tell from the title, what we'll be talking about today is the oh so infamous Cashmere Caviar line by Curls. So I received all 5 of the products as part of my curl box for the month of March. And if you guys are not familiar with curlbox is a subscription service that is $25 a month. Yeah, so for $25 every single month, Curlbox sends you a box of products, and it's a variety of products. So honestly, for them to send out, like, they sent out the entire line, all 5 products for $25, and to me that's a steal. I definitely wanted to give this line a try because I think I tried the Blueberry Bliss line in a previous video and it didn't necessarily work for my hair because my hair is just a little bit too kinky for it. However, this line is formulated for kinky coily textures. So we are going to give it a try because, as you can see, we got some kinks up here. Alright, so the Cashmere Caviar line comes with 5 products. The first I'm showing here is the hair serum, which is your oil. The second is the hair bath, which is the shampoo. The third is the hair jelly, which is your styling product. And the 4th and 5th are the hair silk, which is a leave-in conditioner, and the hair mask, which is a deep conditioner. So actually what I'm gonna do is go offline and actually use the hair bath to wash my hair, and then I'm gonna follow up with the hair mask and let this sit on my hair for about an hour or so. All right, now that we have the hair all clean, now I'm just going to follow up with the hair silk leave-in conditioner that comes from this line. So I'm just going to apply the leave-in conditioner into each section, and then I'll start styling. Alright, now that I have the leave-in evenly distributed throughout each 4 sections, I'm going to follow up with using the hair serum and just apply that to each 4 sections. And then I'm going to proceed with twisting my hair with the hair jelly. So I am going to use just the hair jelly to do a twist out on my hair. So for styling, on the left hand side of my head, I am going to only do like a somewhat small section just because I want to give that deep bang look with this twist out. And in the back, I'm just going to part it right down the middle. Alright, now that we're all twisted up, I am going to let this air dry overnight. So I'm just going to apply my satin cap and just let this air dry. Of course, if you have very thick hair like I do, it probably will take a day or 2 for it to dry. So I highly recommend you do this over the weekend if you want it to air dry. Alright, so here we are the next day. So what I'm just going to do is go ahead and take down my twist. As I'm taking down my twist, I actually am going to apply a little bit more of the hair serum that I applied before twisting onto my hands and then separate the hair. As you can see, the definition that the hair jelly gave me is crazy. Like, I was so surprised that my hair was so defined as I was taking it down, but I definitely approve of the hair jelly. Also, I did not see any type of flaking on my hair, so that was also a plus. Alright, so this next step is completely optional, but I did want a bit more volume with my hair, so I am going to separate out the twist a bit more and rake through with one of my combs just to give it that volume. Alright, and there you have it, the finished look using the Cashmere Caviar line from Curls. I definitely highly recommend this line to you guys. It gets my full thumbs up. I think Curls did a really good job of catering to us kinky coily girls with this line. My hair was very moisturized and well defined when I used the styling products, so I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. Of course, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please write them down below in the comment section. Of course, I'll be sure to respond. And until next time, bye.